मस्त सरप्राईज दिला मग कजनागे एस एस सी रिझल्ट सेलिब्रेशन मुगे बर्थडे सरप्राईज केला प्लॅन सॉकेल कजन थँक्यू Please
Two cousins.
forward and break your cake.
A knife is here, okay? Please. You all have passed a very good milestone. Please use this.
मग स्वतः तिसऱ्यान कट करू पडली दोघायला असतंय
Come, come, come.
अरे कट कराय
Do jugaad now, okay? Do a nice happy birthday dance, please. 3, 2, and 1. Yay! Come, come. Come, Ray. Estria, Ania, go. Hey, Kora, just Kora.
Next year. Happy birthday, Elden. Urak santai. Iya.
Simple juga. Oke.
Cheers. Many more years. Sip करपाचें दरपानो. Cheers म्हण sip करपाचें. Sip करपाचें.
आता सगळे फोटो काडपाक रावलो हाय चोय अरे उबार तेका उबार दुसऱ्या गेले
थँक्यू व्हेरी मच सिस्टर मुगे बर्थडे आयल मू आणि तुही बीन सिस्टरा केले चोडू थँक्यू व्हेरी मच कजन्स तो मेली बर्थडे जाली डझन्स परत मेळ्या आत मेटोले सोमते हे गेले काजरा थँक्यू व्हेरी मच थँक्यू सिस्टर तू येल मुगे बर्थडे थँक्यू मुगे बर्थडे आयल मू थँक्यू व्हेरी मच स्माइल कर न्हू आता कशें काय स्माइल कर थँक्यू व्हेरी मच ब्रो बर्थडे आयल मू साम बरी लायट पडता तुजे
We are almost here, ready to start. Look at the family here, prepared. Video call set, everyone's ready. And Alan is here, done. ALTEN. I kept him a baby, saying the baby is cranky and I need some time. So I'm gonna go and get him. I can see you, huh? I'm recording, Eldon. Close your eyes, Eldon. Close your eyes. Wait. And you can see it.
Oh my god.
Wait. The
Happy birthday.
See you. How are you? Are you excited? We have Siphonia on the call. Okay, let's go. Countdown. 3, 2, and 1. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Thank you.
Happy birthday, This is from Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Papa.
हाँ करो
Daddy.
1 second.
कसो आसा ह्या बड्डेया म्हाका चडशे मेळटे फकत प्रोटीन बार्स हॅपी अबाउट इट दॅट आय एम गेटिंग हेल्थी
Yeah, today's a cheat day.
या आय एम नॉट इवन गोइंग टू द जिम टुडे
Even Carol will eat ice cream today.
No.
You mean cheat day as in the other way around? Cheat day. Ah, you said cheat day, no sir. My wife is getting angry here.
I'm not getting angry. It's just not hanky.
Okay, cheat day with food.
It's his first birthday with us after getting married. I think in fact after dating also, Nilden. So this is his first ever birthday with my family. So Mama Papa decided to celebrate his birthday to take him out for lunch for a special treat. This is what happens when you become a father. Ekore, काय हापाचा ना रायता थिंग सोल्या बिर्याणी थिंग दोल्या
पण आईस्क्रीम हाताला मटका कुल्फी
these two. Kukucho, where Carriel? Where Carriel uncle? Where Uncle Carriel? Papa, please stand here. Let me take a picture. That's it. This man is trying to race with my father, and I told him that he might have reached your place. See, your granny's place, and we can't even catch him here.
You told me that in party आता मी पावले गो
माहिती आहे ग्रॅनी के
तिंगार होता बाईक ना मुकार गेला सोनो
तेच म्हणलं तुका आता थिंग 5 साल असता म्हणते गेलो
चुकेगा नहीं
Ellen, please, I want to buy something. I just want to stop. Like my legs are hurting.
आमा देखील लेक्सा गरम उधर गाडी किती पास आहे तो बाबा बाबा कैसा भागता
You are cheering for my papa. Nani kukucho ji papa. Atek zata ki papa. Ah yes. She's not cheering you, papa. You're cheering for your papa, my papa. Ji papa, no. Mama, what happened, re?
Military camp the race is over.
Because her husband is almost losing.
All military camp, he won the race.
Wow. This is called Sukan Doshad Dukan.
सो मुगे बर्थडे एंड कोताय बाय ईटिंग एन आईस्क्रीम आणि जो स्पॉट हा तो संकल्पागे स्पॉट हिंगा आईस्क्रीम म्हाका बरोबर लागता आनी हेगे आनी फेवरेट एक आहा हिंगा हेगे क्रिस्टियान एक फेवरेट आईस्क्रीम हा ताका लागून हांव स्पेशली ह्या जाग्यार येता
And listen, we also started his birthday with an ice cream
ओ येस
2 days in advance.